You know how to crawl already. Come on. Come on. He's like a little monkey. Come on. Come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Itzel and today we're doing this vlog style. Today I'm going to share with you my top 5 tips on how to stay sane when you suffer from anxiety and have a newborn baby. Today is Halloween. I will be sharing this on Friday, so it would be already, you know, like 2 days old. So today's gonna be a fun day. We're gonna go trick-or-treating and we're just gonna have fun today. It's Halloween. So I'm gonna take you guys throughout my day and I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be uploading every Tuesday and every Friday. So don't forget to hit that little bell button so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and just hang out with me today. Alright, so my baby is definitely not a newborn. He's 7 months old now, but he's still a baby and he still needs me 100% of the time. And it can be very stressful, it can be very overwhelming, especially if it's your first one. He is my first one. So you know, my tip number 1, and I guess this must be like first thing in the morning, is get the thing that is going to help you keep going throughout the day, or at least throughout your morning. So my thing is coffee. Just the smell of it sort of calms me down. I don't know what it is about it that the smell of coffee relaxes me. So obviously I make it a healthy coffee. I use vegan creamer. I use vegan whip topping, you know, just to make it fancy. I put a little bit of cinnamon. I'm using right now the pumpkin pie spice on top, just to make it like real fancy and just like, I don't know. I look at it and I'm like, ah, oh, yes, this is perfection. Just make sure that whatever just makes you kind of sparkle in the morning. It brightens up your day. You need to do that first thing in the morning, because that's gonna like help you kind of set your mind and set your mood for the day. Babies can really be very overwhelming. For me it's coffee, but it could be tea for you. It could be like a morning shake, I don't know, maybe pancakes. Whatever gets you in a happy mood, that's what you need to do first thing in the morning. For me is coffee. So yeah, that's my tip number 1. I was recording a video.
Oh. Hi.
Hi. I can't see. I'm doing a vlog. Well, that was fun. Has been interrupting my vlogging. Tip number 2, and this really depends on how old your baby is. So if your baby is still not sleeping throughout the night, then my tip for you is that when he naps throughout the day, you take your naps. You really need to get some rest. I feel like I'm not focused. You really need to get your rest, especially if you're breastfeeding. So my suggestion is to just forget about the forget about the dishes, forget about cooking, get someone to help you. I know that a lot of people, you know, get a lot of help from their moms. I stayed with my mom for the first like 3 to 4 weeks because I needed the help. My baby did start sleeping throughout the night when he was like very little. Like I think by the 2nd month he was already sleeping throughout the night. So if your baby is already sleeping throughout the night like mine, then his nap times are not nap time for me. My tip for you is when your baby naps, that's when you get things done. Whether you have to take a shower, whether you have to clean the house, do the dishes, do some cooking, take you know, like paint your toenails, do your hair, makeup, whatever. Because when you're trying to do stuff and your baby is like all over the place and you're after him all the time, you're worried that he's gonna put stuff in his mouth, his or her mouth, it can cause a lot of stress and a lot of anxiety. So yeah, baby's sleeping, so I'm just gonna take a really quick shower. I'm gonna do my hair and my makeup. Tip number 3 is hot showers. You have no idea how much a hot shower is going to help you just relax all your muscles. You know, that those 5-10 minutes, it doesn't have to be like long bubbly baths or anything like that. They just a hot shower, it relaxes your muscles. That moment to yourself, like literally it's just you and hot water, and it is amazing. So whenever you are feeling overwhelmed, even if you already took a shower throughout the day, you know, if your baby's finally napping and you're feeling very stressed out, go and take a shower. Go and take another hot shower. You don't have to get your hair wet, put it up in a bun, get in the shower, just feel that hot water over your body, and you are gonna feel amazing. I promise. After that hot shower, you're gonna feel very relaxed, ready to keep on going, and you know, just do another half a day of dealing with a baby. Tip number 4 is to do your hair and makeup every single day. Now, you're probably thinking, I don't even have time to shower, barely. How am I gonna do my hair and makeup? Find those 10 to 15 minutes to do your hair and makeup. Now, this is a trick that I use, and I'm sure a lot of people use this, but I wash my hair only once a week. Yes, I know, but I mean, I use dry shampoo. I do my hair like once a week, basically. I shower at night, completely wash my hair. By the next day, my hair is going to be dry, so I just, you know, very quickly, either I'll do like completely straight. Right now I have a little bit of waves at the end, and then just throughout the week I'll just use dry shampoo on my hair, and then I'll just play around with the hairstyles. You know, if it starts getting too greasy at the top, I'll do like a half up hairdo. It's one of my favorites, like that. Or I'll do a high ponytail. You know, just start playing around with your hair, and then figure out your 10-minute makeup routine. Very, very simple, very natural, but something that you feel like you look put together, but that it's not going to take you a lot of time. You look at the mirror, you're having a bad day, and then you come to the mirror and your hair's all messed up and your mascara is like, you know, smudged, and you know, that kind of does take a toll on your confidence, and you start feeling down on yourself, and that brings a lot of anxiety and stress and depression. So, you know, at least you look put together, you know? probably taken less time if I hadn't been talking to the camera so much. But I mean, I look like a complete different person, don't I? Right? So just taking a little bit of time for yourself to just put yourself together and make yourself feel pretty. You are beautiful. Don't get me wrong, you're beautiful. But sometimes, you know, we let ourselves go a little bit. So whatever makes you feel pretty, whatever makes you feel good about yourself, do it. If it's wearing makeup, wear makeup. If it's not wearing makeup, don't wear makeup. You know, whatever makes you feel good. If it's just like maybe just washing your face and then just making sure that your hair is brushed and washed, and if you just like to feel clean. Alright, so now I am just gonna get in the computer. I'm gonna work for a little while. I am working on an ebook, and I'm very excited about that. I have the baby over here playing with some toys on the floor right next to me so that I can see him. And this is something that I can do because I am working in very small time frames. You know, if he distracts me, it's okay because it's not something that I have to finish right now. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. He just crawled all the way over here. Hey, baby. Hi. Mama. So I'm just gonna get to work on that for a little bit before I decide what we're gonna have for lunch. But yeah. So I'm going to show you right now how I make, I guess this is kind of like one kind of a coffee. I always make different kinds of coffees. So I got my coffee right here, and just, I mean, coffee is coffee. So whatever kind of coffee, you know, whatever. I mean, to me, as long as it just gives me that daily. Right now I am actually going to add some protein. This is vanilla protein. I add 1 scoop of that. So 1 scoop of protein. It's vanilla protein. It gives it so much flavor. It's just amazing. Oh my God. That's an amazing latte right there. This is something that I love to do. I have this ready whip. This is non-dairy. It's from almond milk. It tastes amazing. It's very low on sugar and calories and stuff. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. Total fail. This pumpkin pie spice. For this fall, it's just like, it just gets me into the mood like amazingly. So I just pour a little bit on top of that. This is the most horrible coffee ever. Seriously, it's such a fail, but tastes amazing anyway. Let me show you real quick. I mean, it's not how it's supposed to look, but it does its job. Coffee really, it just helps me stay sane throughout the day. He's a handful. Alrighty. I'm gonna get him ready. I'm gonna put his costume on, and I'm just gonna go outside, you know, for a little while and take pictures of him, and we're gonna have a nice time. You know, just, I know that being a stay-at-home mom can be very overwhelming. You sometimes don't know where to focus your energy towards, but it's all about choice. It's all about, you know, those little habits, little things, little decisions that take you to just making yourself happy. I have decided that I am going to enjoy my day today with my baby, and I am going to enjoy my cup of coffee. because it's really good.